Hey guys, welcome to Top Tech Now, where we talk about everything tech. Today we are going to be taking an exciting journey up above, into the sky, and exploring the world of drones. Drones have become increasingly popular over the last decade, and in today's video we're going to break down the latest edition of the top 5 best drones, so you can find one that fits your budget and lives up to your expectations. But here's the thing, drones come in such a wide range of features and uses now, each designed for specific people and purposes. For example, a feature-packed drone is perfect for professionals in fields like surveying or photography, while a mini drone might be the perfect starting point for a beginner. Regardless of what you're looking for, we're confident we've selected a drone that will fit your needs. Just a reminder, as always, links to all of these drones we discuss will be in the description. So if you want the best deals, all you have to do is click below. Without any further delay, let's get to the list. We're starting off with the DJI Mini Pro 4, which we picked as the best mini drone. We wanted to start this list off with a bang, because there are many reasons to fly a mini drone instead of full-sized drones. For example, they don't require a license, which is a huge plus if you live in an area with strict drone regulations. They're also perfect for travel, as they fit easily in your carry-on. On top of that, they're often simpler to fly. More on that shortly. So why is the DJI Mini Pro 4 the best mini drone? So many reasons. For starters, it has a great camera that can record an improved 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second. It's a 48 megapixel RAW camera, and it's powered by a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, dual native ISO fusion, an f1.7 aperture, and 2.4 micrometers 4-in-1 pixel. It is awesome for capturing stunning landscape videos or action shots of wildlife, giving you great clarity and quality in your pictures and videos. It also has a high-definition screen that remains clear even under direct sunlight. Another standout feature is the extended battery life. You can enjoy up to 45 minutes of uninterrupted flying per battery with DJI's new Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. It's also super portable, weighing in at a mere 249 grams. Think spontaneous adventures. With this little doozy, you'll be ready for action whenever inspiration strikes. We need to touch on the DJI RC2 remote controller too. Thanks to its lightweight design and user-friendly interface, it delivers stunning 1080p real-time viewing and smooth control from an impressive range of up to 20 kilometers, though that's with a clear line of sight. Since it's so easy to use, this drone is perfect for beginners. The Mini 4 Pro also makes flying safer with its upgraded Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. With 6 sensors to help you steer clear of trees, poles, and other obstacles, you'll feel confident flying it just about anywhere. Flying becomes a totally worry-free experience. Furthermore, you can track the subject you are shooting with the new Active Track 360, which uses AI and advanced sensors to keep your target in frame regardless of its movement. Overall, we liked this drone for beginners and thought it was a great pick for anyone who wants to enter the world of drone piloting because of its intuitive, user-friendly features and low price tag. Next to make our list is the DJI Mavic Pro 3, which we picked as the best drone overall. This drone series has a triple camera system that houses 3 sensors and lenses with different focal lengths. This right here is the cream of the crop, and when it comes to quality, wait till you get a load of this. The picture and video quality is definitely one of the best you will see in any drone on the market. It has one camera that can shoot in 5.1K resolution, up to 50 frames per second, and 4K at up to 120 frames per second. Can you imagine that quality? On top of that, think of the angles you can shoot from. You'll get completely new shooting perspectives, allowing you to embrace creative freedom and capture fantastic scenery. The results, pure cinematic magic. And that's just the first of its 3 cameras. They have also updated the 166mm telephoto camera from its previous focal length of 162mm from the Mavic 3 model. This camera also has a 7x optical zoom range, a huge improvement from the former 3x zoom, and the aperture has also changed from f4.4 to f3.4, so it can perform a little better in low-light environments. But probably the best improvement of the 3 cameras is the 3x medium telephoto camera, which now allows you to use D-Log-M and which now has a 70mm focal length. I know that's a lot to cover in just the cameras alone, but it just goes to show you what a beast this drone really is. Now, if you want speed, this monster also includes a sports mode that can reach top speeds of 47 miles per hour. It's one of the fastest speeds you will be able to hit in any consumer drone. But with this being our pick as the best overall drone, would you expect anything less? In short, it has everything you could want in a drone: performance, reliability, and of course, top-tier features like obstacle detection and a fantastic controller. The bottom line is the DJI Mavic Pro 3 kicks some serious tail. We're going to lower the price with our next pick, so if the last two are out of your price range, this might catch your attention. The Potensic Atom is another mini drone, as you might have guessed from its name, and it's our pick as the best drone for the money. This is a fantastic beginner drone because it's affordable and designed to be more kid-friendly. It doesn't require any Federal Aviation Administration or remote ID registration either. It's perfect for someone who wants to try drone flying without going through the hassle of registering their new toy. The camera on this thing is actually pretty impressive. You'll be surprised. It's equipped with a Sony CMOS sensor and a 12-megapixel camera capable of recording 4K at 30 frames per second video. One thing that contributes to its substantial leap in image quality is a much improved low-light performance, which was pretty much unbearable in the previous model. It's not the best aerial or video quality, but it's respectable. Another leap in quality, which many people complained about with the Atom SE, was it only had electronic image stabilization. The new 3-axis brushless gimbal is a much-needed upgrade and helps to ensure smoother, steady footage even in level 5 windy conditions. It's like giving your drone a professional stabilizer, so it's no longer wobbling like it's had too much coffee. One downside is that it doesn't have any obstacle avoidance sensors, the type of which you would see in premium models, so it's best used in open areas and not necessarily in a field with a lot of trees. All in all, if you're looking for a beginner-friendly drone or a budget option that still takes decent pictures, we recommend giving the Potensic Atom a shot. It comes in as our pick as the best drone for the money. Has all this talk about drone piloting made you want to take to the skies yet? Well, if you've caught the drone bug, all these drones are listed in the description below. We've got you covered with all the latest deals, so check them out. And do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and leave a comment if you agree with our picks. Next up is a drone that we believe is the best choice for most people, whether you need a drone for professional photography or you're a hobbyist. It's the DJI Air 3, a reasonably priced drone that can capture impressive 48-megapixel images that are easy to edit and crop. With the DJI Air 3, you get two cameras that give you lots of options for both recording videos and photography. The wide-angle camera has a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor with a field of view of 82.1 degrees. It supports both 4K 60 frames per second and 2.7K vertical videos, making it an ideal camera for travel vlogging and for creating YouTube shorts and social media content. The medium telephoto camera has a 70mm focal length and 3 times optical zoom. It's similar to the camera found in the Mavic 3 model. It employs the same concept, but with lesser hardware, as you might have guessed from its lower price point. Another bonus is that if you are not the most experienced drone flyer, the Air 3's omnidirectional obstacle sensing can give you the confidence to fly without incident. It offers comprehensive protection, even in challenging environments like forests. Overall, this drone has a lot of features for its price tag. While it may not capture the absolute best photos compared to the other drones we've mentioned today, its photo quality is still well above average. The DJI Air 3 is our pick as the best drone for most people. The final drone to make our list is, you guessed it, another DJI model. Just kidding! We're switching things up with the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus, which is arguably the best drone for hobbyists. Why, you ask? Because it packs professional-grade features while coming in at a more affordable mid-range price. And let's be real, who doesn't love getting the most bang for their buck? So, what makes this stunning machine stand out? I call it beautiful because honestly, it's the best-looking drone of all the ones we've covered today. With its vibrant orange body and sleek black propellers, it definitely earns some extra style points. But the real features start with the 20-megapixel camera equipped with a 1-inch sensor that is capable of shooting 6K video at 30 frames per second for videos with beautiful clarity. It also supports HDR for better dynamic range in both shadows and highlights. The adjustable f2.8 to f11 aperture also gives better creative control over depth of field and exposure in different lighting conditions. And if you're planning on flying at night, the intelligent Moonlight algorithm significantly enhances low-light recordings, reducing noise, even with the ISO cranked up high. As for the flight performance, the Evo Lite Plus drone has a battery life that is 29% higher than the Air 2, so you can expect 40 minutes of flight time. It can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, so it's suitable for fast-action narrative videos. And with three-way obstacle avoidance, you don't have to worry about hitting anything. It's also equipped with Autel Skylink, offering a transmission range of up to 7.4 miles and live video feed at 2.7K resolution. The remote controller is also nice and comfortable and was designed to be ergonomic and intuitive, and with the built-in OLED display, you'll be fed flight data even without connecting to a smartphone. In summary, the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus isn't designed for those seeking the cheapest option. It's a high-performance drone packed with impressive features, making it an excellent choice for anyone passionate about drone flying. As our final pick of the day, it's our top recommendation for hobbyists. That's it, folks. We're signing off for the day. If you liked or learned something, give us a like and share what your favorite drone is in the comments below. You'll find all the links to the best deals on the drones we mentioned in the description. Until next time, and remember, keep your eyes on the skies.